Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 best loans for bad credit. So, we're looking at the 5 best options here, or best loan options for bad credit, especially if your score is sitting somewhere in the below 600 or maybe even closer to the 580 mark. Now, if you're trying to get approved without getting completely wrecked by the actual terms. So, let's first start with the first option we can get is going to be credible. Now, the main reason it's worth checking is because it works like a marketplace. You do one quick request and it can show pre-qualified rates from multiple lenders, usually using soft credit pull, so you can compare options without it automatically hurting your score. The big advantage here is speed and comparison, because instead of applying one by one and guessing, you can see what offers you actually qualify for and then decide if any of them are worth taking. Now, next is we have Smart Advances. Now, this one is another marketplace style option that's often mentioned for people who need smaller to mid-size amounts, with ranges commonly around the 100 to 20,000 mark. So, basically, it depends on the lender match though. The important thing to understand with sites like this is they're not usually the direct lender. They connect you to lenders in a network, so the APR in terms can vary a lot. It's useful when you want multiple possibilities fast, and still important to read the final offer carefully before accepting anything here. Now let's talk about the badcreditloans.com. Now, because this is one super straightforward in what it's trying to do. Now, it's also it's a matching platform here, and it promotes checking if you qualify for loans, typically around the $500 to $10,000 mark. What makes it appealing is that it's designed for people who don't have perfect credit, and they're pretty clear that you're not obligated to accept an offer. So you can review what you get first and walk away if it doesn't make sense. Now, another one that gets brought up in this case in the bad credit friendly space is First Premier Lending, which is also a position as a loan marketplace where offers can vary by lender. You usually see ranges like $100 to $20,000 with repayment terms that can go out to 72 months, depending on the specific lenders you get matched with. Now, this one is one of those options that can be helpful if you want flexible term lengths. But again, the final cost comes down to the APR and fees you're actually offered. So the comparison step matters a lot here. And last but not the least here, we have M1. So M1 here is another marketplace option that's popular for comparing multiple lenders in one place. It's often shown with loans amounts starting around like $2,000 and going up to higher limits depending on the lender match. What makes M1 useful is the same overall theme. It's built for comparing options, and some third-party reviews highlight that it can be a good starting point when you want to see what's available without running around to a bunch of separate sites. Now, the biggest advice that we can give you here is if you're taking a loan with a bad credit, don't focus on getting approved. Focus on the total cost, the APR, any origination fees, and monthly payment, and whether the terms is stretching the loan out so long that you pay way more than you expected. These marketplaces make it easier to compare, but the best move is always to treat the first offer as a starting point, not the final answer here. But that's about it. Let's found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.